Sometimes you find yourself in a situation where you need to create a meeting or an event when you're on the go. This can provide many kinds of challenges, including finding a time that actually works for the people who need to attend the event. But with OnTime Mobile, this process is done quickly and effortlessly. Let me show you how. To start, click on the plus sign to access the event feature. For individual appointments, you can dive right in by clicking here and fill in the standard details of your appointment. To find a convenient slot, use the Find Free Time feature. Swipe through to explore available days in the future and adjust the time of day using the toolbar. For appointments of high importance, you have the flexibility to override your work hours, ensuring you find a time that suits you best. Once you've picked a date, just click OK and Add to finalize your appointment. Organizing a meeting with colleagues is just as easy with OnTime Mobile. Start by clicking on the check mark and select the attendees for your event, and from here, repeat the earlier steps for finding a suitable time, where only this time, the Find Free Time feature will look for a slot where all your invitees are available. Once you find a perfect time, hit OK and Add, and an invitation will automatically be sent to the invitees, appearing directly in their calendar feeds. For a one-to-one meeting with a coworker, simply click on their business card, then the plus sign, and simply follow the steps as before to set up your meeting. And that's it. You're now ready to save time and manage your schedule more effectively with OnTime Mobile. Stay tuned for more videos in our mobile series where we'll cover how to create polls, manage time offs, and much more.